Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Kukaria and today I'm gonna show you how to make these beautiful hearts just under 15 minutes. Let's not waste time and let's begin. For today's project I'm gonna use yarn art Dolce, which is super chunky, super bulky yarn number 6, and it's recommended hooks number 6.5. However, I'm gonna use hook number 5.5. We're gonna need some stitch markers, but this is optional, so I'm gonna use those piece of strings, and also we're gonna need a scissors, a yarn needle with bigger eye, and also some fillings. Before we begin, please subscribe for my channel and comment underneath if you have any comments. Let's begin. To begin with, we're starting with magic circle. If you don't know how to do it, you can do with the chain 2 method. It doesn't matter, but in a magic circle I have to do 5 single crochets. Okay, so there we are. The first one is here, 1, 2, and I'm just gonna pull a little bit to make sure I've done it properly. Yeah, and 3 more. This is round 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 single crochet in the first round, and I just have to pull it out. There we are, and our row 1 is ready. In row 2 we're gonna increase in every single stitch, so that's mean 10 single crochet on the end. So 2, 3, 4, I see on the end of the round, 10. Okay, this is row 2 is done, and now I'm gonna put my piece of string so I can know this is the beginning of round 3. The round 3 we're starting with 3 single crochets, so 1, 2, 3 single crochet, followed by increase, 1, 2, and again 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, followed by an increase, 1, 2, and finishing the row with 2 single crochet, or on the end of this row we need to have 12 single crochet. There we are. The row 4 we're gonna do 12 single crochet around, 1, 2, I will see on the end of the row, 12. Okay, and our first bump is ready, so we need to do 2 of those. So with this one we're gonna leave short tail like this, and we will pull it out to lock it in. There we are, and we have to do 1 more. So I'm gonna do 1 more behind the camera, and I will see you to show you how to join it. And here I've done the second bump. There we are, and now what we have to do, the first one, where is it? So we remove the stitch marker, and this is gonna be our first chain. So the second one is still connected with the working yarn, and the first one we're finding, there we are, it's here. So here is what it will be the first chain. There we are, and we're putting a piece of yarn to remember where's the beginning, and we have to do 24 around. So this is 2, 3, 4, 12. After you're doing 12, so here where is the first one, we remove, actually with the second one, yes, we remove this one because we don't need it, and here we're gonna work. So here you're gonna work your 13th one, Here you're gonna have a hole, but it's completely normal. We're gonna cover it later on. So 13, 14, and you just carry on to the end. 15, 16. I will see you on the end of the row. 17. There we are. 24. With the row 6, so we remove this and keep it here for the beginning. We're starting with 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet, followed by 2 invisible decrease. There we are. And then the second invisible decrease. You know the invisible decrease, you do it in the front stitch only of the next 2. Okay, and then followed of 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, followed by 2 decrease invisible. Again, look just from the front loop and the second. So 1 invisible decrease, and this is the second invisible decrease, and then we're finishing the row with 5 single crochet. Five single crochet. Okay, row 7 has to be 20 single crochet around. 2, 3. I will see you on the end of the row. Okay, and now is the time where we're gonna cover this hole here underneath. So what you can do here, usually you can do it with yarn needle, but what I do for more easy, you just put your hook here and take one of the loose yarns and put it through and do a single crochet. Pull a little bit tight, and yeah, the hole is, oh, there's a more here, so we have to do it one more time. Here, same way. It's entirely up to you how you do it. Everyone do it different way, but this is the way how I do it. There we are. And yeah, you still can see it here, so I'm gonna do it one more time, probably from here. Yeah, this will be perfect from here. Yeah, this will be perfect. There we are. And yeah, perfect. Our hole is gone now. So we carry on row 8. It will be 3 single crochet followed by decrease, and this needs to be done 4 times. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, followed by invisible decrease. And again 1, 2, 3, followed by invisible decrease, and I will see you on the end of the row. There we are. This is row 8. On the end of row 8 we need to have 16. Row 9, we're gonna do 2 single crochet followed by 1 invisible decrease, that need to be done 4 times, and on the end of row 9 we need to have 12 single crochet. I will see you on the end of the row, and decrease. Okay, and row 10 it needs to be done 1 single crochet followed by invisible decrease, and this need to be repeated 4 times, and on the end of row 10 you need to have 8 single crochet. I will see you on the end of the row, and decrease. There we are. We are on the end of row 10, and now we need to stuff our heart. So you pull the loose ends in and start to fill out your heart. It's really easy project, and also is beginner friendly. I didn't show you the proper stitches how you do it, but I guess there's many tutorials around. If you want me to do a slow video, please let me know in the comments. So I'm gonna do a slow tutorial how I do the different stitches, but yes, I think it's turning out really beautiful. It's very easy project for gift last minute, very sentimental also for birthdays, someone you love, for Valentine's, for teachers. Yeah, it's beautiful. There we are. I think this is good. Not so full. There we are. And the last row, row 11, it needs to be done just 4 times decrease. So I'm gonna remove my piece of yarn, and I'm gonna do 4 times invisible decrease. Keep in mind here, maybe it's gonna be a little bit difficult, but once you get the hang of it, you will be fine too. And three, and the last one is here, 4. There we are. So what we do, leave a long tail, we cut a long tail, take this off, pull this off. I'm not gonna fill it much. And now you take your yarn needle. Just be careful with the plush yarn because it's very tricky. There we are. So when you're sewing in the tail, from the last row, the first stitch you do it just from outside stitch, from inside towards inside, outside towards inside, and then the second one on outside stitch from inside towards outside. Pull it tight, and then the final 2 is just from outside towards inside. I'm gonna make small knot, pull it through. There we are. And now the final tail, gonna put it in a random place, take it out. I will pull it a bit, so when you cut it through, it goes inside. There we are. And just adjust it a bit. And I think our beautiful heart, just under 15 minutes. It's so beautiful. Hope you liked my video and my tutorial. Please comment underneath if you have any questions. I will be more than happy to answer everyone. Stay safe, and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.